Hello, boys and girls. Today we'll be reading The Solar System by Fran Howard. Now, this is a nonfiction informational text, so we'll be seeing some nonfiction features as we read this today. We have the table of contents, okay, which lists all the sections and chapters and the pages that they are on. Our solar system. When people look up into the night sky, they can often see the moon. Sometimes they can even see planets growing brightly. These are just a few parts of our solar system. Our solar system is very big. It includes our sun and everything that orbits it. There are planets, moons, comets, asteroids, and other space objects moving around our sun. Some scientists think our solar system is more than 4 billion years old. A closer look. Each solar system contains a star orbited by many space objects, such as planets. The star is the center of a solar system. Planets and other space objects circle the star because of the gravity's pull. So here we have a picture with a caption that says, in our solar system, 8 planets orbit the sun. There are also dwarf planets, comets, asteroids, meteoroids, and moons. So here we have our caption and our heading. It is possible to see many stars from Earth, but our sun is the only star in our solar system. It is our solar system center. The word solar means sun. Without the sun, there wouldn't be a solar system or life on Earth. The sun provides light and heat to the entire solar system. This affects each part of it in different ways. The sun makes some space objects very hot, while others stay very cold. Like other stars, our sun is a fiery ball of burning gases. Circling the sun. 8 planets orbit the sun. The planets close to the sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. These planets have hard, rocky surfaces. The planets farthest from the sun are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These planets are known as gas planets. They are made of gases, liquids, and ice. They do not have a solid surface. There are also 3 known dwarf planets that orbit our sun, including Pluto. So the planets and dwarf planets in our solar system are a variety of sizes, but our sun is the largest object in the solar system. So you can see the sun and the planets, including the dwarf planets, dwarf planets. Floating in space. Many moons orbit the planets. Earth has only 1 moon, but scientists have discovered more than 100 moons in our solar system. Altogether, the gas giants have 162 moons. Jupiter has the most with 63. Saturn has 59 moons, Uranus has 27, and Neptune has 13. So here we have a picture. Rhea is one of Saturn's moons. Triton is Neptune's largest moon. And then Mars has 2 moons, and then they also talk about Jupiter's moons. And moons can be similar to planets. Some have volcanoes, mountains, and also oceans. Far, far away. Our solar system is very large. It would take many years to see all of it. This is why scientists do not know much about some areas. Some space objects are so far away that no spacecraft from Earth has ever visited. Some scientists say that the helipause is the boundary of our solar system. It is where our solar system meets outer space. Scientists still have very much to learn about these faraway parts of the solar system. So here it has a picture, and this white circle is the helipause, and it says the sun is a source of solar wind. Solar wind is created when the sun's energy escapes into space. It pushes all the dust and gas towards the helipause. So for a little background information, discovering our solar system. For a long time, people believed Earth was the center of the universe. They didn't know the sun was the center of our solar system. In the 1500s, Polish astronomer Nicholas Copernicus said the planets circle the sun. This was a very important discovery. Many people said this idea was wrong, but eventually it was proven correct. Exploring our solar system. In 1957, the Russians launched Sputnik 1 into space. This was the first spacecraft to orbit Earth. Since then, there have been many missions. Spacecraft from Earth have flown near all 8 planets. Some spacecraft have even landed on Venus, Mars, and Earth's moon. Astronauts learn about our solar system by traveling into space. Some have even lived in space stations. The first U.S. space station was Skylab. It orbited from 1973 to 1979. Then astronauts lived in Mir from 1989 to 1999. People from 12 countries visited the Russian space station. Since 2000, astronauts have been working to build the International Space Station. It replaced Mir, which fell back to Earth in 2001. So, we have a picture here and it says, astronauts on space stations conduct many experiments. Their findings help people learn more about our solar system. So, you can actually see the space station near Earth. And in the back of our text, we also have an index. So if you are, for students doing their projects about certain planets or about the sun, they can look that up in the back with our index with our page numbers as well. So I hope that you enjoyed. Thanks.